Your friend Paulino, Obi at UK, Canada, US, or Germany, or Ireland, or Netherlands, or Italy, or Spain. That's all fan the phone say. When you sue Lemfi or phone, so I don't know where you are. I'm sure they didn't tell where you are. Lemfi now they send this guy, enter her a 0. I rate to be a best and be a Lemfi enter her. Now, any just a woman say, and now hear me video. Say, your first time now download the Lemfi, a good smartphone. So, Lemfi, I bet you 5% cashback. Unim, so you use Paulino promo code. That is POLEENO. Lemfi, so no rate no, and switch all the other apps. Into my catch so you see Lemfi, they are delete all the other apps. Send the become mobile money. And that's what me send a bank account. So wherever you find yourself, be a make sure it's a Paulino. So what countries are mobile boss now? Download the Lemfi. Now you should never send this car. A bebo ye said here, Miso Abuameno. Download the Lemfi or App Store. And I say
summer school, as I say. Hello. I'm doing penny for one. I have some of Kwaku Manu. Uduru ha me hwa asem obeka. Boss. Yes. I'm so school for you. Ah, okay. But I'm going to be forced about it. Oh, nice one. Come on, another. Also, I was sick. Oh, sound. Okay, Mom, interpreter. Yow. But now, when you want to take pictures. Okay. We'll try another session. Okay. Mama, anyone. Yeah. Yo, what's up? Nice. Akraba. My leg. Obi adu be mani bi apostle here. That be who dey kuta dey. O dey dey near penes o kofi adu wa dey ko. Esa saba ko di ba bi. Eba. There. Open normal. How do you do? They say you like no normal. I say you are not home. Yeah, more or less like meet and greet. I don't know what number. I know already. Let me call the number. Questions that they want to ask. Or they want to know. That's how Kwana the name na koto Sophia. Yes. One day, mom. Very interesting. Oh yeah. Oh. That's what you mom. Hello. Louisa. Louis. Sir, I just saw him do to sir. I had a question. I said, we are one of the sisters. Oyema, Nana Hema. Sisters.
So,
Mobile motion there.
are we joining the two? Louisa,
Motion there.
are we joining the two?
In a sense.
All of them.
The two favorite pie there.
Hello? Hello? Can you hear me from that side? What about this side? Are you sure? They say, hey. You they say, oh. Hey.
I have work at home.
I have work
I
out.
don't work at
Okay, come, give Kwaku a chair. Give Kwaku one chair.
Nice one.
Come closer. Today we are coming to do you know what is meet and greet? Do you know meet and greet? You don't know what is meet and greet? Okay, let me explain to you. Meet and greet is the process where you meet somebody you don't know, okay? Then you get to know the person, okay? How do you get to know somebody? By asking questions, right? Okay. So, Kwaku,
So, Kwaku no yede. And so Kwaku no so ka ho.
there is Bodi.
Okay. Me dey the Kwaku Manu. Nya brofo asem. But yes say ya be hia mo. Mo ankasa mo ne da ache hema ne offense ahemfo.
And I'm in your translation.
Okay.
Okay, till you go.
Okay, quick.
No, can I your translation? No.
Debi omo teach no.
All of you can speak Twi. Can you hear Twi? Those who can hear Twi, should I translate it for you? Okay, so you speak Twi, then I'll translate, okay?
No, Obwa, mo teach. Mo teach me boy. Nice one. And I'm about the end of Mosia. Unim de Osia no. We say we say me kura bele mhwe ni he. Sister, oba Osia de ne. Okay, the Osia. Okay. Okay. Also by Osia de. Udini the same mama. Mercy. We say me kura bele mo. Mercy, uba Osia de. Okay, the Osia. Okay. Nice one. Let's say me hwe wo nyan mama ka obi aba ka say. Sister, udini the say. Say kukua. I will not confante. O confante. Kukua confante. Kukua o card was yane. Okay. Momo problem is different. Momo say muko school, mo bato drum na ma yewe na sanity. But mo de mo card mo suya me boa. O kai o friend say mami. Pearl, P-R-T-E-X-T, Pearl. Let's meet you here. Because I said we are in the mood to Miss Abel Yabon. Pay Usia Dene Usia Mass. Let's also share the same thing. Now, Obano, who say, who feel this? We enjoy it. Okay. Now, your casa moba SJ Mono and another mention Mono. Send an out feeling. Moment sister Mike back, mammy. And can you buy the crowd? And I bet they're making Yamma.
Mike 3 wow.
Aye. Okay. I just say me ba ko de to a. Me ba ko kra to a. E be boy nyina. Aha me to a. Why? Okay. Ene ye bon komo. Ene ya be fa dan fofoforo. E wo mu a ye ba besra mo. Mu wo musuku a ene ya besra mo. Won say enkanya ba de kra. Ana me boa. Se mu osuku ma ne ya ba ho ne ya besra mo. Ana mu filisa na. Mu filisa. Nice one. Sister. Who feeling common? Are you feeling them come on? I don't know. A. Opa say enkabrofo. Opa say enkabrofana. Okay. And also by ka experience say wo ba ha no experience to say ka kire me. Ka bibi kire me. O de ka bibi kire me beginning away say wo be ba no say na wadwene mo ye wo. Ana wo be dream so say na feeling ne tie. Teachers na wo be to wo ha no ete say me pese wo ka bibi kire me. O say menti o kasa wa wote. O kasa wote. Ba ka bibi kire me. and I won't finish over the sister will be a bit me aka. What's way? Me pedo bit me aka the experience actually. Hey, I don't know fairly idea. Oh, maybe I'm about more. What am I going to cry? Na sisters, na asa mo chiche mo hugum bi su bi sei. Asa mo chiche mo hugum so. Ana Princess, on ka hwe nkyere me. Mo fele me. Princess, mo fele me. Mo fele mo hima, mo fele me. Mo fele me. Ah? Okay, sisi afa ne se o papa ne me o free school aba. Ana me bu sa o se be bia wo call ye no. Se ne tie anka be ka de. Ka be ka de. Ah? Okay, sisi awo papa ne me. O free school aba. Be bia wo ba ye. So ba wo kra wo ma me no papa me bo a. Wo kra wo ma me no papa se wo ba ha. Me bo a. Enti sisi awo papa ne me. Sisi a no wo ba ye se na wo call be bia wo call no se na wo si bi fili. O ka kire me am ye papa no. Ka be ka se na kire me. That's all papa ni nkomo fi. Mo ni nkomo. O ma me so ni nkomo. Hey, we are Sam, are you a ghost? You can't talk in the home. Ah, the fa ho bay. The bro for fa ho bay. Okay, yenko and pay for so. Okay, me come pay for so. One the bekasa first. Okay. Mo nyina mo ko school ba ko. O mo nyina mo one school. Enti mo seniors ni. Oh wow. Huh? Who a different school? Who go school here? Jikuta na ekasa mamia. Osu ko here. Oh okay. Now Uber had experience sanity. It's nice oh. Then the money nice ma. Self maybe no so also. Ye much musua de yes Then the money different kakra.
Teachers now shadow and they say we can't choose say you're comfortable with us, but my school, which yeah, try didn't say we are until we are see teacher say for madam some.
Oh, teacher need to make us
yes.
I know when we are free in our work
yes.
When we are free.
Yes.
Because once a teacher be oma, the work can yes be a day be a year a teacher be oma where you good. When you cry you free. One woman diagro. On said identity. A tinye way say. Eye bufuo so na momo kan say agoro so
or maybe also ntia say o kasa na ebubu ndua
gu asum but ni senka teacher so kasa kese onya ho time say one tia se no ko betima say nya abotae dey akiri macho ba hade one tia se a ye say nya ho time ai okay na school mo abon kakra na kan ko chem because me say na me ho ashi because na mabon teacher ni say bre wo me ho kura na obesa ka cho say wo ye say bre wo ho kura na wu Just you fam so near call. We are good.
Yes.
Okay, nice one. Momo Mr. Manuel. And oh, boss, hey, money brings them both. Somebody's finished the topic. They can clap for the person. Clap for him. Okay,
good.
Okay, can we be mommy? Okay, my fan to our Moka Sababa.
Because school is insurance international school.
Oh, Semensia International School.
Like to me, the whole school is best.
The whole,
yeah.
Not the whole way school.
I know that school is there, perfect.
Semensia.
Yeah, one teacher, teacher, you be able to know actually no more examples. Every year, teacher, just now, teacher, with my phone in class. No actually, say I want to be asked. Don't teacher, but by years, so better, so much I calm. Like. I'm saying I'm going to need to teach you child. I'm going to teach you more. I'm like I'm going to teach you there, but I'm going to teach you.
Now, what school for France and Aoba Samanchiana? Oh wow!
I school no be straight. I'm on the crowd.
Wow, member school be ready. Samanchia school now here.
Actually,
Bomso.
Opposite Dr. Boy, like the side is.
Oh okay. Is that what you say?
Actually, from 2.
From 2. Oh nice one. Bomsema from 2. Okay, also Casa. Why in the back? Hey, we are fresh boy. Oh, we are fresh boy. School more hard, you know. Am I on the Pawasem? Oh, Kabibi. Momo say my on Panasem. What did he say? Jackson. Oh, okay. Now, who so go school by? Awakra. Oh, okay. Now, Oba and so. Oban feeling it to say,
The environment is fresh.
Fresh?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Free society.
Okay.
Yes. The community is feeling belonging.
Oh, Debbie, oh, bombing come on. Yeah, I say, come on, I need to know. I say, oh, me say, blah.
I have to feel free, okay?
Yes.
That is why it's a meet and greet. Say meet. Say greet. So it's what you feel what?
Fresh.
Free. You feel what? Free. Look at your neighbor and say, I will feel free today.
I will feel free today.
I will feel free today.
I'll feel free today.
Any question, I will answer it.
Any question, I'll answer it.
Now add swag and attitude to it. Say any question, I will answer it.
Any question, I'll answer it.
So do it like I did. Any question, I will answer it.
Any question, I'll answer it.
The same thing. Are you get me?
Yeah.
Are you get me?
Any question you do what?
I'll answer it.
Any question?
I'll answer it.
Yeah.
My people, any question?
That's some don't fire in your way. That's squad way. That's right.
Ask them the question.
Yes, it's no Mr. Said ye didn't come on. Feeling confidence, moral, and attitude, fears. Me for myself, what you say? Like ye didn't come on, ye mom come on. What you say? It's you so by the day, bombing come on. Mike and Uncle Wano.
You feel a sense of belongingness.
You feel a sense of belonging.
Yes.
Who understands it? You feel a sense of belonging. Do you understand it? Yes. Should I break it down for you?
Yes.
A sense of belonging means you will feel part of what they are doing. Say part. Part. Say part. Part. Of what? Of what? Of what?
Of what?
Say like I'm saying. Say of what?
Of what?
Of what?
Of what?
We are doing.
We are doing.
Children, my people, say what? What?
I'm on fire in your view. As I'm saying, more for myself, free pass.
Okay. Now.
Okay, bro. Okay, Yet you are. Now, when you it's not so far can buy.
Yeah.
Obedi holiday kakra.
Namu wahana me.
Now, Hana Okoy. Okay, okay. Oh, Hana Okoy. It is here on holiday na Sadwa day. Aquaman na Sadwaba. But so better if you can the S with me banner bet share BB kakra. And also buying for what?
Feel a sense of belonging.
A sense of what?
Belonging.
Belonging.
Belongingness.
Okay, TWTREXT. Yes, okay. Okay. Mitio. Now, when you come from one, when you Bon, sema wawie. Bon, sema wawie. Okay, Papa, yetio. Udin. Lovans.
Yeah.
One or two said, oh, Papa, now, mommy.
Papa.
Oh, Papa.
Well, your name again?
Lovans.
Yeah. Which school?
Semen Shower International.
Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, same school.
The
most school. Yeah. Now, who are you? Uncle, don't say business.
Yes,
huh? We are something. Asantini na auto block for this ano. Because I am Fantini. We are Fantini now. Seven Shaba. Anti block for no. Edino yaw. Also two obo dinner am say that be Asantini two block for more din say. Udin block for the other. Lovans.
I speak Fantini.
I can't speak. But Edino, HM location. And I'm saying that be Asantini two block for the more din say. But the own Saab a Punano for no nice one. Etino. Dear Casabi Kabi Bichamia.
Because school is Semen Shower International.
Nice one.
Once teacher Menu is talking to you, teacher wanting to, I'll be sneezing in between because I have kata. Tell your neighbor kata. I've got kata. So you forgive me, okay?
Yeah.
In between, you be here.
Forgive me. Etino. Now, also, we fear we didn't come up. Also, we share, we didn't come out. Also, the energy be na day. Eddie, my have feelings, you know. Say energy, no. For didn't come, mama me too.
Semen Shower School. As a one tia dear, Omotom was a chiller.
Nice one.
Anna, maybe. Undi dear, like young.
Let's see what.
Yeah, marriage, Jania, or more activity on Sika, a third Janma. Oh, and now we are. now parents near around now. Omo call hospital.
Hey, ya dem enjoy. Wow, omunyam ho time sa. Eso bi kwa bet me sheda de ne yare afrifi aba yale school. Obet ma ka cha na me say ma me yale so twen na me kwa yale kase pa wo. E wo school. Oh, nice one. Ti dia na be ka cha. Hey! Yabo, hey! Hey! Anyum ni dumuno. Dumuno kwa. Yan panyum. Agabe me ba but me ba mo twen copywriting ti. Me tie o. Okay. Ti dia na be ka atre Samansia school.
Omo yade.
Omo yade oh. Nice one. Ya me sharp. Wa yin ba utwum ta du so. So fa uti siesie.
Fanboy.
Fanboy oh.
Share the whole school.
The whole school.
Share.
What's it there? The whole school there. That's nothing. Mon kura ma ba de mama ya bregu. Ya ne person kura ne. Ohin ba, wouldn't they say?
Dini Dylan Owusu Jenfi.
They are the wisdom.
Dylan Owusu Jenfi.
Okay.
Dylan for the family Dylan.
Dina. Dylan.
D-Y-L-A-N.
I don't know when you said him. Dina ma when you said him. Oh, can be big same. Eh dey na omudi said in ma o. So bobo wa wudin. Ana wudi oga ne ma soso.
Ma'am.
Okay, me na full name. O ko school ahen.
Semenshia International School.
Dey na wo ka che.
I say, dey me nya be ma me kai. A school near school papa. I want share ya pa.
Okay.
School mo say e bia o yare ya family. Bet me do akọ say yare nya serious
Bet me take care for her. Yes. Oba show come. Wow. Ya wo pani ohoda. Minim pani wo brutal. O mi woni papa ne akwa nipa 1000. Yes. Ena mane ye hu no. Metie o.
Your school mo so enye de bia na wo se usua de gidigidi sa.
Enye de bia na se usua de gidigidi.
Yes. Your activities bia etimi ye.
Okay.
Sports, games ne.
Okay. Let's say metie wa life no. Apart from say you share book ma de your talent wo ho. Enti you push talent because you school bebre wo Ghana ha. De ya dwene so aye brofo. Akwan ka brofo o ye say you but obi anso ba no de na adoma chede ye dey e bai. Na say ho ye ba actors ye benya bi wo ho. E ba footballers ye benya bi wo ho. E ba dancers ye benya bi wo ho. Singers ye benya bi wo ho. Oh wow, rappers wo ho. Amtimu wa ho na ye rapper wo ha. Ye nya sa kwode wo ha.
Wait.
Wa.
Wait.
Wa, mama musam sham, mama musam. Hey. Masa. Utimi kasa o my rap ne ba kokura. Utimi kasa o my rap ba kokura. Me pato mo me fan sembo shia. Ni di say. Same. Mo me fan sembo ma. Same. My rap. Urap name here. Na mamu do fi say. Say same rap wo ha dia. Wa wutru mika nso betru mika. We are dancer. Hey! Me pacho, mommy Same be perform am. Guys. Itunu. Exactly. Oh, we timi nye foko, me ka kire ho. Same me tie o.
So what is rap?
Me pacho. Yes, nice one. Me pacho munye di oni ntie west na wo mu. Rap there. Run before you come to counter the rap. I'm from some corner. Why you buy it?
So what is rap? Between the raps, you say the rap.
Same so my energy. Same. Pass. Now for me
So what is rap? Between the rap, you say the rap and the crowd moving chat. Question Bantima. I'm done.
Bon, Sema, I'm done. Okay, blah. Ben so told them, Oba. Okay, meba. That was so told them.
Hello.
We are better.
Safu is here. Safu wants to sing. Safu, welcome.
Meba. Pacho meba. Safu aba meba. Ba cook sa kan wo. Ono be for water dey see
No, 30 near home.
I say home. Okay, it's you. Would you say?
Safo.
Me pacho, mummy and first and boshia. Safo. Bouncem, mommy, bouncem.
But minimum title here, he can do it.
You can do it. What's it? And you're tight today. You can bouncem, you can do it.
He can do it. He can do it. God, he can do it.
God, you can do it.
Oh, it's he.
Nice one.
Okay, yeah, let's go.
He can do it. Do it better for you.
We are
How about that? You can think that you ever do. He ever do. He can do it. Do it better for you. Far more than you can think that he would ever do.
Sisters, oh, my mom said,
He is the Lord. Is there anything too hard for him? He is the Lord. He has said it, and sure he will do. Hold on to your faith, your confessions, all the days of your life, and you will see the hand of the Lord in your life. You can do it.
you can
Do it. Do it better for you. Far more than you can think that he would ever do. He ever do. He can do it. Do it better for you. Far more than you can think that he would ever do. He can the Lord. Is there anything too hard for him? He is the Lord. He has said it, and sure you will do. Hold on to your faith, your confessions, all the days of your life, and you will see the hand of the Lord in your life.
Do it. Do it. Do it.
You can think that he will.
Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Do it. Yeah.
You can think.
Na ade u papa nti na auto sa nyum na na. Na mi sa wa say.
Thank you, eh.
Ba mo mo say ma no. Okay. Oh, who can sing? Bouncema dancing. Yeah. Gabin. Bouncema Gabin. Nice one. Gabin.
You get a car.
More sign of okay. And you no. Okay, I bet my bono. You bobo Sebi and one. Oh, proud we are you a dancer. Oh, okay. Hey, okay. What do you need to say? Nana Gabin. Okay, this is my patron. But you must say, man, Nana Gabin. Besa, it's BM, why, my patron?
This song is titled Cow and Chicken.
Yeah. Aye. Over to him. Okay, we are now Swassa. Mumba musem. Oh, DJ, take your DJ. Oh, take your DJ. Oh, take it. Hey. Mumba musem. Clap. You can dance. But anymore, you are watching me and the name is only Sapa because we are Moanum. Bouncema Moanum, no. Me pastor, pastor didn't say. Love Vance, pastor DJ. Let the music flow. DJ Bell cry. Okay, yeba. Okay, you're going to work from so. Energy. Again. Aye. Aye. Great. Take it. Take boy samano. Me patro now no. Funny face baba search them. Or some mathematics of dances. Okay, I'll give you mic.
When he introduce you, come like a serious artist.
Are you dance? You dance? Oh yeah, bra. Dance about kwaba. Yeah, man, dance how assembly. Are you? Me patro did this. What is your name? Minty. Your name?
What? Your name?
Mami Akosia.
Mami Akosia.
And you? Opuni.
I said Oburu.
Hey, I say what? Oburi. Put your hands together in Oburi and sister. DJ, why? Hey, DJ Benny Yakofani. Why? DJ. Taco, dance. Hey. Dance, sister. Oh. Oh, Nana. Your dancers were what? Go. Aba. Take put your hands together, the sisters, and brothers. Take
Please come for the dancers.
Oh, Mama say mom.
Now Kwaku is coming to introduce you, okay?
I'm come to introduce you.
For you, okay?
W, I know I by now. Are you get me? Now I have dancers here, have the singers here. Now the person you come now. Hey! Well, here be Biana. DJ, yes, now why? Yep, I'm a chow. Aye. I'm on your mama, yes, no. Are you get me? I feel any break performing. Any break perform you, or no quack of fire then. Or he might be a day. The patch of head or bow. Munya didi. Are you get me? Munya day. Sisters, I'm talking to you. Hello. Are you recording? You go to YouTube, Facebook, TV, have television. Are you get me? You go all of them. And to give me more of your face, you are watching the funny face, don't joke. Enjoy the program I have in here. Are you get me? Yo, are you ready? I'm connected. Okay, I'm connected my ear. The performing man can say yes. Wabo show abrochire. I call UK, I call France, I perform or Belgium. Or TC Ghana, so I call Wale, Bundu, Dagati, Grusi, Hausa. Baby, in our performance will happen. About Kumasi, or perform on kind. Are you get me? Now, no, Kumas was sacred. You know, Obama more than in your day. And cause when you're artistic to baby intra. What's it? Baby intra. But that's what you're on to now. Hey, that way, penny brilliant. Or could I tell about baby? Be near her. My volume near her. Okay, Sabi near her, Bonnie. Are you get me? Now, no. Obeba. Nipana Obeba, when you packet to Ghana for him in the pa. Ghana for your day.
Hello? Look at my face. I'm speaking. Watching me properly. Are you get me?
Hey, American artists come to perform, so listen to them.
Listen to me. Listen to me and listen to me carefully. If you go show like this, your morale support the program. Your ensemble, you clap like a person, you are dying. Are you get me?
Yeah.
No, be a me introduce who here there. Assemble friend. Obi there. No be a question at all for obi obi perform for question for ben. Pen. Who the here there? Are you get me? Oba munye dede. Huh? Ebra yen cha ho no. Mom yen fa dede yo. Ensem dede yo mo da so to mo hwem anim. Dede yo. Ensem bo. Ensia famiko. Take it. Take it. Stay Maura. Yo. Maura. Hey. Like you're painted. Yeah. DJ. What's that? And you and said I knew be a nyansa. I am called Numtina. Yes, who's a cocoa to oh, upon a motum. Are you get it? Bone Sama Coconium. Papa Penny, Powder, and Coconium na obo. What disappointed me be? At I'm one coconut into a cocoa party and walk studio. No recording. Bone Sama recording. Okay.
Hello. So do you know what we are going to do now? I'm going to do musical chess with cow and chicken, okay?
Yes.
Okay, so bring the chess here, okay?
Come here, Mola. Come here. Today is today. Oh, better here. I come on. No, better. No, it's okay. Yes, so better.
It's okay. Here, hold on.
Coffee. Open your 50 man. 5 at 50. Say. Yeah, 50. What 50? 50. So maybe no 50.
The winner will take away. Yes, the winner will take away a winning prize to go and buy pizza.
Yes.
But
We are starting with the children first. So, come.
Please, Matia, yeah, program.
All of you come.
No,
No, the woman. These are 10 chairs. Hello. These are 10 chairs, okay? So I'll need 11 people. 11. You are 9. 2 more. 2 more. There are 11 chairs. Are you sure? It should be 10. I said I have 10. Wait. Hold it. Don't hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many are you? You are 8. You are 8. No, the chair should be. If they are, hold on. If they are 8, the chair should be 9. The chairs are 8. No, 9. How many are 8? And the chair is 7. Yeah.
For the night for school.
Hello. Say you know how to do it. When the music stops, you sit down, okay? Yeah. When the music stops, you sit down, okay? Don't push anybody. Don't get close to the chair. Come. This should be your distance. Come. Watch. The distance between you and the chair should be 1, 2, 3. Everybody measure 1, 2, 3. Your legs are small, so measure 4. From the chair. Come. Stand like me. Be in this line. Be at my back like this. Be at the back. Go back. Go back. This should be your distance, okay? Don't get close to the chair, okay? Nice. Okay, DJ. David. Yeah, I couldn't do this. That's about to film. No. I couldn't.
Make sure say one
Listen.
Are you getting?
Listen. When the music stops, you sit on the chair. Okay? The one who sit on the chair first wins. Okay? If we will check bottles, we will check your bottles. The one who sat on it first, okay?
To one transfer time, now will be transfer. What you It's serious. Are you gathering me? Somebody's bottles enter the chair. Don't rush.
Who sat on it first? Yeah. Who sat on it first? Who sat on it first? Who?
Neba. Momola when I say more hot to the Momra. Obraha. The
last one.
Yeah, Mama Saka crack. Dance crack.
That's why it's called musical chairs. Okay? Yes. You dance. Okay? Okay.
What you say?
Okay, watch me.
Woo! Right. Are you got it? Are you fly it? Are you got it? Yeah.
Now, but
Debbie, your mom who said that. Debbie, Meji akonya wa ha. Jabi fabra. Me meji akonya wa ha. Efi de yen san ko bi. Efi mo ana mo ye. Ah? Okay. Yan ko ti say de wa we yi bia.
So now you understand, right?
Yeah, mo hwa de bia. Wa wo to betra ha bia wa fi. So bi tra ha, na wo to te ha. Wa ye dey. Me da ase. Eti make sure say wo betra ha. Are you get me? Your button sit here. Are you get me? Okay.
No, we for play the other one.
Yanko.
This be remix. This one.
Aha, mo saka krama ya wati. Yanko, next.
Clap for her. Clap for her. Clap for her.
Mama musem. Okay. Nice one.
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay.
So now you understand?
Yes. Yanko. Oh, mama,
clap for her, clap for her.
I'm not going to anybody who's not going to change that. Yeah, DJ. Okay, Tobo. Dance. Mora, dance. Hey, dance.
We're money more crash. Sorry. I bet you more. Sorry. Dovi.
Clap for her. Clap. Eh? Musa kakra. Aye, asema.
Clap for her.
Oh.
Clap.
DJ Yako.
Yeah, say money more kakra, we be film.
Ko kele ma sing now. Power didi.
Onim, it's all my jump on say chana, Mambo kakra, we be film. Let's go. Hey, sorry. I will say, okay. Clap.
Akonya na ketu.
Okay, hold on. Hello. So these are our final three. Let's get to know their names again. What is your name?
Daddy, go ahead.
Abba. Bob Singer. Hey.
I said the Musa Sweden.
Chance.
Right?
Wait, you see? No, hold on.
No,
you
wait.
See? You are close to the chair. So it's not nice. You should come.
I don't know.
Come, stand here. Hey, stand in front of her. Hey, you stand here. Always there should be
Okay, go around me.
Go and catch it. Check it.
Babu. Yeah.
That's all.
Omunya.
So. I know that.
A disadvantage my first one. Of course, too much. Okay, final two.
Where are they? What?
Come.
Where are they? Step down. I felt say. Nanama. Camela. Nice one. Camela. The 50. Bounce 50 no. Hey, bounce 50 no. Bounce 50 no. The camera is win. Winner come. Huh? Winner come and shooting the picture for yourself. I just say so any so baby ana. Mucha no, mo fa no.
Hey. No, they've started already. So, like when they were about to start, now that they've started already. So let's wait when they finish. When they finish, they've started already. No. They are only doing this one. No. Why they said okay? Oh, I didn't know. No. You have to be going around.
What do you Kwabo?
So who won? Who won?
Nice one. Mama Musemano. Oh, wow, sir.
Ah. Okay. So boom running up.
Okay, let's have a record.
Now come and let's run up. Come. Come. Hello, come and sit. Come and sit. Let's run up. Kwaku.
Yo, bra.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Give me the motor. Hello.
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 Yeah, running up. Hello. Okay.
Mama Musemano. Mama Musemano.
Clap for yourselves. You've done very well, okay? But before we go, hello. You've done very well. We are rounding up, okay? So you can go home, okay? And eat and meet your family, okay?
Now come on, meet your family. I'm going to meet you one. DJ, I'm going to.
Oh,
nice.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so we're almost at the end, okay? We've closed. But before we do that, you have to get to know our names. Do you remember his name?
Yes.
What is his name?
Kwaku Manu.
But did I tell you my name?
Yes.
What's my name?
Funny face.
Okay, nice. Nice. So it was nice meeting you all. We'll do it same time again soon, okay? Anytime the teachers plan and Madam Louisa, please come.
But we say, Madam Louisa, bravo panel.
So as to when we come again, Madam Louisa will communicate with you, okay? Then we plan will come again, but I will do more. We do it talent hunts, okay? Anything you know how to do. If you can act, you can sing, you can catwalk, you can do model, you can do any. You see, what you are doing is a talent. Once I'm talking, you're opening your eyes. It's a talent, okay? So when we are doing the talent hunt, you can come and sit there. It's a talent, okay? Say it's a talent.
It's a talent.
Say winning is a talent.
Winning is a talent.
Kwaku.
Mobile money aje kama there. Money aje. Mo ye sure. Money aje. Etumo pese en samra bi. Nice one. And then the way we need chabe dey. Be nice one. But wait you say the emotion bi anama yem ho aye dey. Esua. Sisi amomotu o sisi ano. Se mo ma akohoma da, ma ba akohoma da. You call something akohoma. You know it? You know akohoma? I don't know. O papa moskada. O papa moskada. O mama moskada. I know you call something akohoma. Say akohoma? Yes. Say we best school na catch up papa no mama.
It's chop money.
Open chop money. Open sika ko toffee and biscuit no. They call akohoma. Nice one. Ebedu baby so na mo so mo ba akohoma. Are you get me? Ti de wo hye bia wa ha bia you know where dey. Esua. Papa you ba akohoma. Say papa wo ba akohoma. Nice one. Clap for akohoma. Clap for akohoma. But we say ma akohoma. Eti mesra mo de musia wa ha bia mama mani nya dey. enkoso wani mere madam who will be big na madam pacho mo be big na
No, she will say so.
I hope you all had fun today. Are you sure? Okay, so we have more surprises for you. Okay, so make sure that anytime you come, you always follow what you're instructed to do. All right. So God willing, tomorrow, they will be coming here again to see you, and then for the talent show, they will be coming next 2 weeks to see you. Okay. So when you go home, kindly prepare yourself very well because the winner will get something juicy. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you too. Nice meeting you.
Bonsama, thank you.
We love you all, and we'll see you tomorrow, okay?
Yes. Another clap for hand. Clap for tomorrow. I will see you again. Clap. Nice one. What's it? Bonsama. Madam, I miss you, shout. The boss will be your baba.
Yeah, shout out to all the bloggers. Clap for the bloggers. And clap for Madam DJ too.
Madam DJ.
And clap for caption. Say caption.
Say caption.
Caption.
Caption. Say cap.
Thank you. Okay, we love you all, okay?
And I'm going to come.
All right. I'll see you all tomorrow.